we're going to learn about Mulan and talk about Mulan. Let's start. Here is Mulan, and here is the soldier dress, and here's the princess dress and the princess shoes. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, here's one. Ooh, it's sticky. Now let me open it. Wow! We need to cut it. Whoa! Look at her long black hair. Wow! It's very long and it's very soft and wow! Look at her red dress. It looks great. Wow! And look at her pants. Wow! And she can move. Ooh! She can move her wrist. Look! Wow! Look at this dress. This is the knife and it's colorful. It almost matches the dress color. And look at the dress. Wow! It's pink and it has white flowers and the green leaves and a big pink flower here. It's very blue and wow! I love this. Look at her big sword. Wow! Whoosh! Whoa! Hiya! She's gonna fight now. Let's put this in her hand. Wait. Yes, I got it. It's not this side. Yes, I got it. Hiya! Look at this warrior dress. Wow! It's brown and shiny. Wool. Shiny here. Look at this outfit. And this one, let's put it on for her. Let's put it on. Wow! Now, let's put on this one, okay? Let's put. Wow, she looks like a real warrior. Wow. She can move her hand. Woo. And this one. Woo. Look at this. Wow. Her shoes really match. Mulan lived in ancient China. She lived with her parents. Her dad lost his leg in the war, so he can't fight anymore. One day, a message came from the kingdom. Emperor ordered one man from each family has to join an army. She decided to join the army, so she cut her hair so she can look like a man, but she's not a man, she's a woman. She wanted to fight for her country and dad. She's really strong and girls can do anything. Thanks for watching our video. We have to learn a lot. Bye guys.